My name is Marissa, and this is my first video. I'm so excited, and yeah. And whoever is my subscribers, I appreciate you, and I don't care. Anybody says I want comments, it's nothing, because they're just wasting their time. So, for my first video, I'm gonna connect sense. Won't focus on me. On video, it looks blue, but it's actually purple. So yeah, it's so cool. So guys, for my first video, it's kind of gonna be short because I have dinner in a couple minutes. So yeah. For the description, I will put my Musical.ly. No, because I don't like people looking at stuff. Because I don't know them. And, okay. So, I just wanted to give a big shout out to this thing. So, it's really squishy. And I love that little stuff that pops out. So, guys. Well, YouTube, I'm pretty spending a lot of time on it, so I know like everything, what to do and stuff. So yeah, and in my next video, probably I will be cutting this open, and you will be seeing these scissors. I just want to cut it. Okay, should I cut the net off? Just for you guys. In the next video, I will cut it. Guys, I just love this now. I love it. It's gonna be so mad at me. I don't know what that is, but so cool, guys. So this is the end of my video. So if you follow me on Musical.ly, you probably already know me, cause you probably recognize me, my jacket and stuff. So I just wanted to show this to you guys. Okay, so there's, as you know, it changes like colors. So in here it's yellow, but it looks. Comment what color it looks on camera, cause I can't. On here it's like kind of red, kind of, and there it's orange. So yeah, that's what I think. This is so squishy. Well, moving on to this guy. So guys, so let's see what it does when you put it in here. I'm so sad I cut the net. I kind of wanted to stay like that. Because if you cut the net, you're not gonna get it go back. So yeah. So bye guys. I will probably make a new video in a little bit. Bye guys.